Okay, so today's topic is about the four-sided shapes. So four-sided shapes are basically called quadrilateral shapes, right? So there are different types of these four-sided shapes. The first one, which is very famous, is the square. So square having here's a brief description. The square, all sides are equal, and each angle, inside angle is 90 degree, right? Then we come to the a rectangle, very famous shape. Again, all four angles are again 90 degree, but the opposite, only opposite sides are equal. All four sides are not equal, right? Then we come to the parallelogram. Parallelogram means the opposite sides are equal in size, similar to the rectangle, but there is no 90-degree angle, right? So none of them having a 90-degree angle. So only the parallel sides are, uh, there are two opposite sides are parallel. Then there is a rhombus. So rhombus having all sides are equal, but there is no 90 degree. So this one is similar to the square where all sides are equal, but in square there is a 90 degree, but in rhombus there is no 90 degree angle. This one is also called a diamond shape as well. Then there is a trapezium. These are also called trapezoid as well. So there is only a single pair of parallel side, right? So instead of two parallel sides, here we have a single pair of parallel side. So what happens? The two of the sides are parallel, and the rest of the two sides are not parallel, right? So these are in different shapes as well. So in an isoscales trapezoid, what happens? One pair is parallel. Definitely, this one is the requirement of a trapezoid that one pair is parallel, and other pair of side is equal, right? So other side, if this one is a 2 centimeter, then this one will also be a 2 centimeter, right? So the remaining two sides are must be in equal in length. So these are called isosceles. Uh, okay, now come to the next one, which is basically a right trapezoid. So right trapezoid means there would be a 90-degree angle. So the one thing that is basically the requirement of the trapezoid is that one pair is a parallel, and then there would be a right angle uh, as well, right? So if there is a there are two right angles in a right trapezoid. Then there is a Sakhalin trapezoid where we have again one pair parallel and but no equal side, right? So all the four sides are not equal, but one pair of the sides, like this one and this one in this diagram, these two opposite sides are equal, are in parallel. However, one pair is parallel, which is the requirement of the trapezoid, and no side is equal, right? Then there is these are the different types of the trapezoid. So we discussed the trapezoid, then isosceles trapezoid, then right trapezoid, then there is a Sakhalin trapezoid. Then there is a irregular quadrilateral, right? There is a four-lined, four-sided diagram, but it is not trapezoid. This one is not rhombus. This one is not rectangle. This one is not square. This is not parallelogram. What happens over here? We have a irregular quadrilateral. What does it mean? It means there is a no equal size. All the sides uh, of this quadrilateral diagram are different in sizes, and no pair is in parallel. If one of the pair is parallel, then definitely it will become a trapezoid, right? But this one is no one is in parallel and no equal size. So these are the nine different four-sided diagrams or four-sided shapes. So and some of their properties. Thank you very much.